Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm showing you all how I made this beautiful men's birthday card using some Beebeecraft products. This card can also be for Father's Day or any other similar occasions. I also made two similar cards to this. If you guys want to see them, make sure that you watch the video until the end. I also will be having a discount code for you guys to use to purchase Beebeecraft products. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So all I used to make this card are some colored cardstock, papers, designer paper, glue, metal dies from Beebeecraft, along with some other supplies in my stash. I used the heart metal dies from Beebeecraft to make this front portion of this card. So since I mentioned about Beebeecraft, let's talk a little bit about Beebeecraft. So recently I posted a video with them unboxing some products that I got from them, and if you guys haven't seen that video as yet, you can go ahead and watch it. I will place the link in the description box for you guys to see. So Beebeecraft is a program for YouTubers who has 100 subscribers or more on their YouTube channel. To be a part of this program, all you have to do in return is to make videos for them. I will place the link in the description box with those details for you guys. Also, I have a 10% discount code for you all as well. So even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you will still have the opportunity to purchase product from Beebeecraft using the 10% discount code that I will be placing in the description box. So these are the dies that came into this package. They came in bundles with squares and ovals, but today, as I said before, I will be using the art dies. So this is how the art shape dies look outside of the plastic. I made the shape using my die cut machine that I bought on Amazon. So if you're going to get these die cut shape, you will need a die cut machine, but you don't have to get a die cut machine because I saw many people using different things beside the machine to cut out their shapes. So all the products that I got from Beebeecraft are 100% free if you choose to be a part of their program, including shipping. So you guys check them out. They got some really nice products for almost everyone, not just crafters. So right here, these are some more arts that I put inside the middle of my card. Some of the dies are not from Beebeecraft. I use a few of theirs and some others from different suppliers, but I'm sure they might have similar shape, especially those smaller ones. So guys, go and check them out. You may never know, they might have some of these that I have in my stash as well. I also cut these arts out with my die cutting machine. I did it off camera so that I can save time so that the video is not longer. So right here I'm just placing those arts in the middle, and then I place a love sign that I also use with my die cutting machine. So now I am placing those art that I cut out earlier that I show in the video. I use some foam tape so that it can pop up onto the card. So right here I'm placing those envelopes that I also did off camera onto the card. I also added pieces of ribbons onto the card off camera as well. And this is what the card turned out to be. So these are the other two cards that I told you guys about earlier in this video. I have a Mother's Day sale going on. I have a 20% discount code that I will be sharing with you guys. If you want to purchase cards, you can use that code and get 20% off all your orders. I will also place that link in the description box as well. As you all can see, I did not place anything on the front as yet like I did for the red card, because I don't know what I'm gonna use it for as yet. So I didn't place anything if it's birthday, Father's Day, or whatever occasion it might be. So I leave them blank. So this is how the green one looks, and I will be showing you guys how I made the other card as well. So I made 3 similar cards with the dies from Beebeecraft. So the red one was the first one I made, so I made that a little extra. I figured out that it took too long to make it, so I didn't put all the envelopes on the side. I just used one envelope in the middle. So guys, there you have it. Now we are back to the red card. Remember to check out those links below, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know which card is your favorite. I think this one is my favorite. Let me know which one you like best. And we have come to the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creations YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.